Hello everyone, welcome back to How Logical. In today's tutorial episode, I'm going to show you how to log into Bumble. Bumble is an American social and online dating application that facilitates communications between interested users. To log into Bumble, go to your web browser first, type in bumble.com. This is the official website of Bumble. In order to sign in, click on Sign In. You can sign in with your Apple ID, with your Facebook, or with your cell phone number. Click on any options you'd like to use. Since I've chosen the phone number option, let me enter the phone number and click on Continue. A 4-digit code will be sent to my number now. After receiving it, let me type it in and wait for a few minutes. It might take a couple of more minutes. Just go through what it has to say. After it is done with your verification, you will be logged into Bumble account. Choose a mode you want to get started with, and there you go. That is how you can log into Bumble. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.